Hi everyone, this is Mehmet Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on developing a CRUD application using Java Swings and MySQL. In my last video I had inserted a field inside the MySQL database, and in this video I will add rest of the other fields like name, semester, branch, subject 1 to subject 4, total, percentage, like that. Okay, so we will add all these details inside the database. Okay, so for that we need to drag and drop our components from swing controls. Okay, so first let's drag all the labels. Okay, label. Okay, and then this one is for branch or course. Okay, semester, then subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total, percentage. Okay, and then change the label, go to properties, click on that label, and then go to properties and then change it to name. Okay, and then here again do the same thing for branch. Okay, and then semester. Okay, and then here subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4. Okay, and then total, and then percentage. Okay, now to this we need to add the text fields. Okay, so come to our swing controls and then drag and drop text fields. Okay, then for subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, 4, total, then percentage. Okay, and then we need combo box as well for branch and for semester. Okay, so now let's come back here at the text field 2 and then come to properties and then delete it. Okay, okay, now the last one is percentage. Okay, and now we need to set the data for this branch and semester. Okay, so for that we need to click on that drop down and then again we need to go to properties, and from properties we need to come to model and we need to delete, select, okay, comma BSc, BCA, BCom and BA. Okay, and the same thing we need to do the semester drop down. Okay, delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, now our form is ready and we need to go to our source. Okay, so now we need to come to our query. We need to add our fields: name, branch, semester, subject 1. Okay, now let's come to our database, exam database, and then student table. Let's go to structure. We have subject 1 2 3 4 total and percentage. Okay, now come back here. Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total, percentage. Okay, now we need to copy this, paste here. Okay, and we need to change to text field 2. Okay, and now do the same thing for our combo box. Okay, you come here and then just copy this and put it here. Dot get selected item dot to string. Okay, now we need to copy the same, copy, put comma and paste. Okay, and we need to change to comma box 2. Okay, and again we need to copy this text thing, copy, come at the end, put comma and then paste. This will be 3. Again paste 4, 5, 6, now 7, and last one is 8. Okay, so now we have set all the text fields for our data. Okay, and we need to change here to student. Okay, our table name is student and our database name is exam. Here you can see. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, let's run. Okay, now this is 1 not 1 name. Okay, okay, now let's enter. Now let's click on save. Okay, now it's displaying me data saved successfully. Okay, let's come to our table. Now let's see. Okay, there is one record saved inside the database. Okay, so this is how we can save the data in our MySQL database. Okay, so now let's come back to our file and just see or check the query carefully properly what we have written. Okay, string insert equals insert into student, which is our table name, and we have entered the name of the fields: USN, name, branch, semester, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, total, and then percentage, and then values. Okay, so these are the text box references: text field 1 dot get text, text field 2 dot get text. Okay, and then J combo box. Okay, J combo box 1 dot get selected item. Okay, so you need to write the things in the same manner. Okay, so here you can see there is only double quote enclosed inside this, but here single quote as well as double quote. Okay, for combo box only. Okay, for combo box we have a single quote and double quote plus, and then J combo box 1, and here. Okay, Okay, so this, you need to write the code for saving the data into the database. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information about storing the different types of data into the database using various different types of form elements or swing components. Okay, so if you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.